Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Mailchimp campaign. First, navigate to the Create button and select Email. You will then choose your campaign type, like a regular email or an automated journey. Next, select your target audience from your existing lists. Finally, give your campaign an internal name and craft a compelling subject line to encourage opens. This initial setup is crucial for a successful outreach. Now, let's dive into designing your email. Mailchimp offers many pre-built templates, or you can start with a blank canvas. Drag and drop content blocks to add your text, high-quality images, and clear calls to action. Remember to keep your message concise and visually appealing. Always check that your design looks great on both desktop and mobile devices for optimal engagement with your audience. With your content ready, it's time to refine your audience and timing. You can segment your list based on various criteria for more personalized messaging, reaching exactly who you intend. Consider setting up an /B test to compare different subject lines or content blocks, helping you learn what resonates best. Finally, decide whether to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Before hitting that final send button, a thorough review is essential. Use the preview mode to see how your email appears on different screen sizes, ensuring everything looks perfect. Always send a test email to yourself or a trusted colleague to catch any last-minute errors. Double-check all your settings, from the sender's name to the chosen audience, then confidently click Send to launch your campaign.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.